business administration in the university. For my future. In the next year, I want to do everything that I have planned. The first day of the years, I want to share with all my family, especially with my parents who are already old. Then I would like to go visit my niece who lives in Toronto and share with her like to go visit it for 20 years. For 20 days, please. In February, I would like to take class again at the university, but before starting, I would like to go to medical checkups to check my general state of health. It is possible that I will finish my career next year if I can fulfill my childhood plans. Okay, no more.